This problem is just going over the introduction to the domain and range of a function. Excuse me. It says select all the following that are true for the function y equals f of x. Just got to go through and see which ones are true. The domain is all the x values that, when plugged in, make a real number come out. That is exactly what the domain is. So domain, you often are going to want to associate it with the x values because that's what we plug in. And what's important is that it makes a real number come out. All right, once again, a lot with the previous section, you'll have plenty of examples of actual problems, but we can plug in something and an actual number comes out, not some sort of error or imaginary number if you are familiar with those. But if you're not, that's okay too. So the second one says the domain is all the y values, and right away that is wrong because the domain is the input, which is x, not y. And the domain is the input, which for this problem are the x values because the x is what's inside. Okay, so that does mean that the range is the y values. The range is all the y values that come out with an x value plugged in. That is definitely true. The range is the y values, and the y values are what come out. Right. And so the last one, just like with the second one, it mixes up the two. The range is all the x values. It's not the x values. Nothing else matters over here. The range is the y values. And so those are the two answers we would select. Once again, important thing, domain is x, range is y. That's what's really important right now.